Hello everyone, my name is Naresh Murjani and I am an IT project manager and a Salesforce consultant. Today in this video I'll be talking about Salesforce licenses, and specifically I'll be talking about Salesforce Essential license. Now today in this world we understand Salesforce is world's number one CRM, and we also do have a myth that it is an expensive one and it is used by large organizations, big companies, big fives, big tens. So I would like to talk about in this video that this is not the case. Salesforce actually offer a variety of licenses based on the use or the basis on the requirement and basis on how you'll be using it. So those who do not know about Salesforce licenses, you will be learning about it in this video today. And I would like to mention today every single company, even with one employee, would need a CRM to manage their processes, their sales, marketing, customer service. Uh, so let's learn how small business could leverage Salesforce, how they can use Salesforce Essential license. We'll talk about next up what are different licenses available today with Salesforce Sales Cloud. So the first license available is called Salesforce Essential, which is all-in-one sales license, which is the basic or the first version of license available from Salesforce. The next one is Professional Edition, also popularly known as PE. This is a complete CRM for any size of people. Doesn't matter if it is hundreds or thousands. Now, the next license here is Enterprise license. Enterprise license is a deeply customizable license. If you need to customize your CRM, you need to have integrations, you have to do custom code on your system to make it as per your business requirement, then you go for Enterprise. And the last one is Salesforce Unlimited, which, as the name suggests, unlimited, it gives you unlimited access to the complete CRM plus unlimited customization and all of the power of CRM. So let's talk about Salesforce Essential. What it brings to the table. What can you use within Salesforce Essential Sales Cloud license? It is the basic, most affordable license offered by Salesforce. It is best suited for startup, small business, small companies, up to 50, 100, 200 employees, depending on what you're using. Now, when I'm saying it's a basic license, doesn't mean it is not covering CRM features. It covers all of the Sales Cloud CRM features like standard objects, account lead, opportunity, contact, Einstein activity capture, Salesforce mobile app, which is Salesforce One, customizable sales process stages when you see on top of the opportunity, activity stream, and management. So, all of the basic features, all of the essential features are covered here. Uh, let's talk about features and let's more add more features here. So pre-built and customizable reports, dashboards, lightning app creator, app exchange, the app store, uh, mass email campaign management, optimizing your emails, chatter, which is one of the most powerful Salesforce tools which allow your remote teams to stay connected. All of these features are covered in Essential, and as a Salesforce user I understand you know these are the most important and basic features which are available by Salesforce Sales Cloud. Let's talk in detail. App Exchange. App Exchange is like Google Play Store. It's a one-stop shop where you find all the applications, all third-party applications which you can download from App Exchange and use in your Salesforce. So App Exchange is readily available with the Essential license. You can use any app. For an example, I use QuickBook for my accounting. I can download QuickBooks and start using from Salesforce App Exchange. Reports and dashboard, which are backbone of analytics. Any business owner, salesperson, anyone would like to understand what are the reports which are involved in their day-to-day business, and the dashboard view, of course, which is coming from the different reports. Salesforce Essential do provide the reports and dashboard. On the screen now you can see a basic view of dashboard, how different uh, how different reports can accumulate to show as a dashboard view, which could be personal or shareable. The next one here, the next feature here is trouble-free scalability. Today we are example 50 employee company. Tomorrow we become 500, so it's not a problem. It's a cloud solution, SaaS based, and being number one platform, number one CRM in the world, it do provide that kind of scalability, even if you're using the basic essential license. Now, the key takeaway here from today's video is Salesforce is number one CRM, and while people think it's costly, it's expensive, it is used by enterprise organization, it is all a myth. Salesforce Essential, which is the basic license covering all of the features which I talked about, just start from $25 per user per month. So why not leverage the power of world's number one CRM, which is built on AI? Why not use Salesforce on the cost, which is very basic? So in the end, I would like to say, if you do not like the video, don't like or subscribe. But if you do, you know what to do. Thank you.